we have the Eastwood Fender Roller here, and we're trying to use it on the 86 C10. The biggest issue we had was we didn't have enough throw in this to reach to the outside, farthest outside of the fender. So that's maxed out. So we're going to make an adjustment, do our own little fabbing, and see if we can get a little more throw out this way so we can get out farther. This hole is not here, was here before. We modified it to be able to get a little over an inch of throw extra to reach the outer fender well. You can see, reference it, 3.5 inches from this edge up, 3/4 of an inch up for that. And we drilled a new hole. The center hole is 3.5, and from here to center hole is 3/4 of an inch. And it looks like we have plenty of throw. I just drilled another hole. Now we got plenty of room. And then we got this Eastwood Fender Roller, and then we're going to nice and slowly put pressure and just try to get this inner lip to fold up a little bit so we have clearance for the wheels and tires.